Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best all-season wiper blades on Amazon. If you overlook your windshield wiper blades, they could gradually wear out and leave ugly smears on your windshield. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Rain-X Latitude 2-in-1 Water Wiper Blade. This wiper blade does more than just clear water from your windshield, it repels it. You can buy either a single or pair of blades. The blade has a Rain-X water repellent coating that will last for months. It also has advanced beam blade technology that allows the blade to contour to the shape of your windshield. This will give you a virtually streak-free clearing of water. It also has a patented universal adapter that makes installation fast and easy. The construction of the blade uses a synthetic blend of rubber that gives the blade durability in all weather conditions. One drawback of these wiper blades is that they can leave an unpleasant film on your windshield. However, this film should help repel the water from your windshield. Number 2. Bosch Icon Wiper Blade. The Bosch Icon features a dual rubber lining and a double locking connector to enhance safety. The rubber coating increases the lifespan of the Bosch windshield wiper by about 40%. Bosch features a dual steel tension spring that exerts uniform pressure on the entire wiper blade. The blade has a bracketless design that helps prevent the buildup of snow or ice on the windshield and an aerodynamic design to improve airflow to the wipers. The blade also curves on the windshield and leaves a clean and moisture-free path in one wipe. The main drawback of the Bosch Icon wiper is that the shape is too curvy, which may affect contact on some windshields and create large dirt patches. The blades for the driver and passenger side come in different shapes, which can be confusing. The Bosch Icon arm hook adapter isn't compatible with all car models. Finally, the blade is also more expensive than other all-season blades in its category. Number 3. Trico Gold Pack. When it comes to driving safety, having clear visibility is paramount. Trico Gold wiper blades excel in this aspect, ensuring a clear field of vision in even the most challenging weather conditions. Rain, snow, or sleet, these wiper blades are equipped to handle it all, allowing drivers to navigate the roads with confidence. With their precision-engineered design, these blades deliver a clean and streak-free wipe every time. The specially formulated rubber compound ensures a smooth glide across the windshield, efficiently clearing away water, debris, and grime for optimal visibility. One of the standout features of Trico Gold wiper blades is their impressive durability. Crafted with high-quality materials, these blades are built to withstand the test of time. The robust construction ensures that they maintain their effectiveness, making them a reliable companion for countless miles. Installing these blades is a breeze, eliminating the need for professional assistance. The package includes comprehensive instructions, enabling car owners to effortlessly replace their old blades and experience the benefits of Trico Gold blades in no time. Number 4. Aero OEM Quality All-Season Beam Windshield Wiper. It would be a sin for the Aero Quality All-Season wipers to miss out on our list. The design includes a specially blended rubber tailored to offer a smooth and streak-free glide action. The rubber also makes the blade durable and resistant to degradation in harsh weather conditions. No dust, snow, or small rock particles can enter the blade due to the form-fitting protective layer of the rubber. The Aero windshield wiper has a strong curve to help maintain maximum contact with the windshield when in operation. The blade also has an aerodynamic design to reduce resistance and noise when in action. Aero is an OEM manufacturer, so these Aero quality all-season wipers come as a factory set for a wide range of car models. The main drawback of the blade is that it does not come in a variety of attachment options for compatibility and fitting purposes. In addition, Aero quality all-season wipers are cheap and may not last as long as premium brands. Finally, the blades make a squeaking noise when activated. Number 5. Michelin Rainforce All-Weather Wiper Blade. Put these high-quality wiper blades on your vehicle and appreciate their water-clearing ability. The blades are compression molded and constructed from all-natural rubber and then coated with a special M-Guard formula. This will give you smooth and quiet wiping performance. You'll appreciate how durable these blades are thanks to the all-metal heavy-duty stainless steel riveted frame and aero-vented design. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.